What's going on? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, sharing with you a quick tip on how to remove glue down indoor-outdoor carpet, and this is for you DIY types. So most of you will not have access to a removal machine, a big heavy-duty machine that commercial carpet installers will use when it's difficult to get this flooring up. So a lot of people will attack it by cutting it into strips, and you think the bigger the strips the better, and you just pull the whole floor up. You actually burn out doing that. So the best way to go about this, and the reason I'm showing this video is because we did about 1,000 square feet of removal of glue down indoor-outdoor carpet today, which was horrible, but we charged a lot and got paid a lot. The best way to do it, just cut it into 6-inch strips the whole way. And you think you're not getting any progress, but actually you could just go ahead and maintain a nice steady speed. You don't burn out for the most part. It gets, 1,000 square feet does catch up to you. But in this video coming up, I'll show you exactly how we did it. And this was actually the easiest part of the floor. But yeah, the quick tip for you DIY types, just cut the flooring into 6-inch strips with a nice sharp razor and pull it out one little strip at a time and get ready to install your new floor. So check out the video. You see what we went through here.